नमस्कार दोस्तों। स्टॉक चर्चा वीक 5 ऑफ अप्रैल में आपका स्वागत है। स्टॉक मार्केट्स में अभी काफी नेगेटिविटी छाई हुई है फॉर ऑब्वियस रीजंस। आई थिंक द सेकेंड वेव ऑफ कोरोना, nobody expected it to be this bad. I think एक महीने पहले we were all celebrating that India has done it while the world couldn't do it. But in a matter of 15 days, I think everything has turned around and काफी बुरा हाल है अभी। I live in Delhi, so it's mayhem all around me. I hope you're all keeping safe. पर जब मार्केट में इतनी नेगेटिविटी होती है तभी अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी मिलते हैं। So let's look at what opportunities we have in the coming week. आने वाले हफ्ते के लिए इस बार हमारे पास दो बुलिश ट्रेड्स हैं और दो बेरिश ट्रेड्स हैं। So let's begin with bullish trades. ये है बजाज फिनसर्व का वीकली चार्ट मार्च 2020 बॉटम से लेकर। ऐसा लगता है कि वेव 4 खत्म हुआ था एंड फिफ्थ वेव इज ऑलरेडी अनफोल्डिंग। अगर हम इसको डेली स्केल में जाकर देखें, क्लियरली दिखता है कि जो पैरेलल चैनल है उसी के अंदर प्राइस एक्शन अभी तक चल रहा है। एंड ये वाला जो वेव 4 है ये अप्रोक्सीमेटली पिछले वेव 4 के प्राइस जोन में आया है। सो दैट मीट्स अनदर एलियट वेव रूल। The price has turned up. I think पिछले 10 दिन में 20-day मूविंग एवरेज के ऊपर एंड फाइनली 40-day मूविंग एवरेज के ऊपर भी क्लोजिंग मिल गया है। आई थिंक द ओनली थिंग लेफ्ट टू हैपन रियली इज कि ये 20-day मूविंग एवरेज 40-day को क्रॉस ओवर कर लें। ये हो जाना चाहिए अगले 1-2 दिन में। सो बजाज फिनसर्व एक लॉन्ग ट्रेड है जो हम आने वाले हफ्ते में जरूर ले सकते हैं। We can probably keep a stop loss of the low of the last 2-3 days, which is 9600. That's a closing level stop loss. अगर हम hourly scale पे जाएं तो one can have a strict stop loss of around 9610. यहाँ पे एक gap up open दिख रहा है if you notice, and that has sustained. तो ये gap काफी important होगा। So if there's any dip towards the 40-hour moving average, we can easily go long with a stop loss below these candles. ये बजाज फिनसर्व है। एक हफ्ते में it is possible that it can cross 10,600 approximately. Let's move on to the next opportunity that we have. ये है मारुति का वीकली चार्ट। Again from the 2020 March Corona bottom, we can clearly see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves are done on a weekly scale. तो ये काफी बड़े लेवल के वेव 3 सर्कल के अंदर वेव 1 खत्म हुआ था जनवरी में, एंड ये पूरा करेक्शन which is about 4 months of correction should be wave 2. Again, see how this wave 2 has come into the price zone of the previous wave 4. अगर ये 1, ये 2, ये 3 और ये 4 है उसके पास आ गया है। अगर हम इसको डेली स्केल पे भी जाते हैं so we can see that the previous wave 4 was around 6300. उसके आसपास आ ही गए हैं क्योंकि इस कैंडल का लो 6400 था approximately. And the other encouraging sign is ये पूरा correction जो है the price action is contracting, so it's forming a wedge. चाहे हम इसको A माने, इसको B माने और ये पूरा wedge C मान सकते हैं, वो एक तरीका है देखने का. But I have a feeling that this was A and this whole triangle formation was B, and उसके बाद C के अंदर भी हमने wave A, B, probably C, D and E यहाँ खत्म कर दिया है. This kind of doji formation also typically happens at the bottoms. उसके बाद gap up हुआ है यहाँ पे, and ये gap अभी तक fill नहीं हुआ है, and 3 days of price action. So if tomorrow this stock moves up above yesterday's high, which is Friday's high, 67.15, it's a definite long trade. अभी भी रिस्क बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है. अगर हम आर्ली स्केल पे भी जाके देखें, see there's a gap here and this gap is sustained. So long positions with a stop loss of 65.45 spot price. That is pretty good. And ये once it crosses this falling falling wedge top, it can very quickly go to 69.50, 7,000. Within a week also this can happen, but अगर यहाँ से 200-300 पॉइंट भी मिलते हैं एक हफ्ते में, I think that's a very good trade if you're trading in futures or options. So we should look at this as a long trade. There's no point shorting it here, definitely. अब चलते हैं हमारे दो bearish trades. ये टाइटन का मंथली चार्ट है. मैसिव रैली, राकेश झुनझुनवाला का फेवरेट स्टॉक. मल्टीपल्स में रिटर्न्स दिया है इसने इतने सालों में. समवेयर some level of correction has to happen. I think एक बड़ा correction यहाँ पे हुआ था 2019 से लेके मार्च कोरोना बॉटम तक, but वहां से लेकर one impulse wave seems to be done. Even if I assume that this is, say, wave 1 of a large scale that is finished, and this is wave 2. Wave 3 के अंदर का एक impulse. So basically, wave 1 of wave 3 circle looks to be finished. In fact, I think recently झुनझुनवाला ने खुद बोला कि Titan will not outperform the way it did earlier. So he is also expecting कि ये correct करेगा. While he may be investing in large sums and he appears like a fundamental investor, it's possible that he also follows technicals. So ये है इसका डेली चार्ट. और अगर हम देखें तो यहाँ पे काफी स्विफ्ट रिजेक्शन हुआ है after it hit 1620 area, and it wasted all these months going back to that price again 1620 से rejection हुआ है. The price has closed below both 20-day as well as the 40-day moving average. Even if it is a simple wave A, wave B and wave C, it can correct at least up to 38.2% of this rise, which is around 1277. So this is a short trade, and any shorts initiated should have a stop loss of the high of Friday, which is 1496, 1497. So 1500 का round figure हम stop loss समझ सकते हैं spot level पे, and we can aim for immediate targets of about 1400, and if we are lucky, even 1300. The next Bear Trade is another stock whose name begins with T, which is Tech Mahindra. So this is the monthly chart. अभी मैंने इस पे wave count plot नहीं किया था, but roughly if you see, there is a certain kind of channel that it has been following over the long term, and इस channel से breakout हुआ था पिछले साल, and after making a new high, it is consistently trading down for 1, 2, 3, 4 months now. इसका भी पैटर्न कुछ टाइटन जैसा ही है, अगर देखा जाए ये हाई के बाद 3 waves down and A, B, and it is coming down wave C on a daily scale. Again, the price here also has closed below both 20-day and 40-day moving average. So we could look at a short trade, with a stop loss of the high of Friday, which is around 970, 971. इसके भी अगर हम simple retracements plot करें, तो इसमें भी 38.2% जो है 850 के पास आता है, and 883 is the 40-week moving average. So 880, 850 is the area that this down move should go to. So a 100-point move from here. In fact, if we get any pullback upwards tomorrow, that will be an even better place to go short. So these are the 4 trade ideas I found for this week, the last week of April. Please follow risk strictly and place your stop losses, because the broader indices have corrected quite a bit, both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty has corrected about 8.5% from the all-time high. That's a good amount of correction. And यहाँ से Nifty can start turning up is what I feel. अलग से इंडेक्स चर्चा में मैं और आनंद निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी को डिस्कस करेंगे. So see you guys on the other side in another video. Take care, stay safe. Please don't venture out. ज़्यादा adventurous मत बनना. The virus has been extremely unforgiving. Please take care of yourself and your families. Bye.